Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the DuckDuckGo app on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the DuckDuckGo app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, you will see a search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you type what you want to look for. Tap the search bar, type your person's or website name, and then tap search. DuckDuckGo will show you search results right away. Tap on any result to open the website and start browsing. As you browse, DuckDuckGo automatically blocks hidden trackers and help you keep your account or activity private. You don't need to turn anything on, it works automatically. If you want to open a new page, tap the tabs icon to see all open pages, then tap the plus button to open a new tab. When you are done browsing and you want to clear everything, tap the fire icon at the bottom of your screen. This clears your tabs, search history and browsing data with just one tap. And that's it. Now you know how to use DuckDuckGo on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.